So for the last boring part before we jump into our course, I do want to give you a quick course outline and then talk through a couple risk disclosure statements. So we will in this course be, trying to build block by block up to that dashboard that we reviewed right before this section. So we will be, going through and readying our trading environment. We will be working through with Jupyter Lab, which is a part of the Anaconda package. We will also be teaching you how to access the financial data of your choice via multiple web APIs and showing you, what those calls mean, where you can find more data on those, even outside of the things I'm going to show you in this course. We will be applying financial indicators to those data sets so that you can calculate things like RSI and MACD. We will also, from there, create multiple trading strategies that allow us to analyze the financial data and show you how to, put logic to those and really build your own custom strategy. And we will also from there be interacting with our brokers of choice via web APIs as well. So we will review the documentation, show you how we can talk to our brokerage, place orders, review your order book, review your portfolio, and your account history, and then tying that all together in an application that allows you to see that, automatically update, and then really give you that feel for how your trading is playing out for the day. So for the not fun stuff, the risk side of this, trading securities does involve risk. And if anybody's a fan of Reddit, you can see that risk can be substantial. So really gauge your own risk level, do things that make sense for your financial situation. And I stress and I urge you not to take financial advice from this course. I'm just giving you building blocks that can support your methods. So some things in here, I don't even trade. I put these things together just for teaching blocks. So please be very careful and always have a plan, right? So always plan your goals, plan your entries, plan your exits, and regardless of strategy, I am a firm believer in making sure that you're only trading things you're comfortable owning. I've gotten stuck in trades myself. I've had a lot of bad history and trading, not something risky like GameStop, but other things that people would probably consider risky early in my trading career. And I really recommend that you go after things you think have a long-term value. I also do recommend that you make stop orders a thing that you commonly practice. So being able to back out at a certain percentage that you're comfortable losing. Portfolios ebb and flow. You're not always going to win. So just make sure your downside is protected. It's very hard to predict day to day what's going to be said, what's going to be in the news, what somebody's going to post to Twitter. So I'm a big fan of stop losses, and I urge you to likely adopt that same policy. And then again, lastly, these are examples only. Please do not take what we say or what we learn in this course as stuff you should go out and do. Please just use these as examples to guide you to create your own strategy and decide what your own criteria should be. And for our last slide here, I do want to state that I'm also not a programming expert. I'm gonna, I'm sure, have people that are more of an expert in Python than myself writing me and saying you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that. But really what I'm trying to give you is building blocks that will allow you to do this on your own. And I do paste my own code into the download section so that each of you has the capability to follow along with exactly what I'm going to show you. So please don't take anything I have and try to tear it down. It's really meant to be a teaching tool, and to give you those foundational blocks to hopefully confidently download and analyze financial information. So again, anything we create, they're meant for examples only, and please do not try to take these and go use them for live trading, right? You can probably tweak a couple things and go make them live, but I really recommend that you pay attention in this course and go through and put your own strategies to work. Always validate your data as well. So in something I've learned as we've downloaded information from multiple sources and I've tried to, make trades, is sometimes there's data hiccups. Sometimes certain stocks and securities don't always get updated information as accurately as others. So I do encourage you that as you're going through this, validate the data that's coming to you. Put data integrity checks in, and we'll show you what that looks like. And lastly here before we jump in is that this is all at your own risk, right? So any kind of trading, any kind of advice we give, anything we talk about, whether it be investment, whether it be options, if I mention anything about taxes, heaven forbid if we get into that side, please just understand that this course is meant for building blocks only and not meant for true trading advice. So again, had to get the terrifying stuff out of the way here just to make sure we're all on the same page, but looking very forward to the next few hours teaching you guys what I've learned.